It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your trusted plumbing and HVAC company since 2009, serving South Central Indiana. Today, let's talk about something that can actually lower your utility bills: smart thermostats. If you're tired of high heating and cooling costs, this one's for you. Smart thermostats are designed to learn your schedule and adjust your home's temperature automatically. That means your heating and cooling systems only run when you actually need them. No more paying to heat or cool an empty house. Here's how the savings add up. Automatic scheduling. The thermostat figures out when you're home, at work, or asleep and sets the temperature for maximum comfort and efficiency. Remote control. Forgot to turn down the heat before leaving? No problem. You can adjust your thermostat from your phone anytime, anywhere. Energy reports. Most smart thermostats give you monthly reports, so you can see how much energy you're using and where you can save even more. According to the EPA, homeowners save about 10 to 12% on heating and 15% on cooling just by switching to a smart thermostat. That's money back in your pocket every month. Pro tip: pair your smart thermostat with regular HVAC maintenance for even bigger savings. A well-maintained system runs more efficiently and lasts longer. If you need advice on which smart thermostat is right for your home, give us a call at 812-327-8080 or visit us at riverwayplumbing.com. We're always here to help you save money and stay comfortable all year round.